Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2011 Harley-Davidson Triglide Ultra Classic with 11,200 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, GPS prep, CB radio, and an intercom. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, headlight and passing lamp trim rings, and front turn signals, luggage rack, driver backrest, fuel cap, windshield pouches, rear bumper, and pinstriping. The Triglide offers the same long-haul touring comfort and rugged power as its electric glide siblings, but on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Triglide puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,202 pounds and has a 28.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.